Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is QUOIALEN if you are new here, and if you're a returner, like I said already, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I truly appreciate it. Also, and thank you guys for 160 subscribers. Like, I was just at 140 not like a week ago, so like to see 160 is just like, dang, y'all kind of like me, so I fucks with y'all. But yeah, so this is the look that I did today. I did it a few days ago on my Instagram, and I didn't get a chance to film it because I had to go to work like I do now. But today I had time, so I wanted to sit down and film it for you guys. So yeah, here we are. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, starting off, I'm going straight into the look. This is the look, as you can see, and I'm going to start off with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C1, just to prime my eyelids, of course. Okay, going straight into the Zulu palette, I'm going to take the orange that's inside of here. And now that that's all blended, I'm now going to take this yellow right here that's in the middle and blend out the edges. Now I'm just going to go back into that orange since I lost a little bit of it and blend it back out. Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Ain't that what that's called? Yeah. The Conceal and Define Concealer in C1 again and kind of cut my crease, but not really. Kind of. Okay, so now I'm just going back into the Zulu palette and I'm taking this pink color down here and I'm gonna put that on my lid. I know it kind of looks like a cut crease, but it's not gonna end up being one because I'm gonna blend it all together. I just needed that concealer down so this pink can pop, if you know what I mean. Kind of gonna go above where I put that concealer so the orange and that pink can kind of start to blend together. See? Perfect. This look does not take much at all, and it's kind of getting lost on this other eye, so I'm gonna just pack that on a little bit more. No, but really, this was the easiest makeup look I've ever done. Now I'm just gonna take this brush. I just used it to blend the crease together. Honestly, this is the easiest makeup look ever. If this video seems a little short, I'm sorry. I have to get to work in like an hour, so I'm trying to make this go as fast as possible. But there's really nothing to this look at all, I swear. It's like 4 colors total, maybe 5. And that's all I did for my lid. As far as colors go, now I'm just gonna take my NYX eyeliner in black, the matte black one. For mascara, I'm just going to take my It Superhero Mascara and put a light coat on my top lashes, because of course I'm about to put on lashes. Okay, so while I'm waiting on my lash glue to dry, since I've already applied it, I'm going to dip into my matte book palette from the crayon case. And I'm actually going to go into this blue right here and put that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to go back into my Zulu palette with this same brush that I used for my lower lash line and pick up this bluish green color right here. Sweep that on the bottom as well. Back to the mascara. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This is a bone mascara and it's only like $4, $5. I'm gonna go pop on my lashes and I'll be right back. And to line my waterline, I'm just gonna take my Maybelline gel liner in Blackest Black, of course, y'all know. Okay, I wasn't going to, but looking at it now, I'm gonna take this gel liner and bring it down a little bit and make a cat eye. I just need to highlight my face with my Pure Face palette, the Midnight Masquerade one, and I'm just gonna mix the two colors that I always mix. For my lips, I'm just wearing my Ulta Beauty lip oil. This is the Jojoba and Peach one, but I actually have a mix of Jojoba and Peach and Black Raspberry. Black Raspberry is definitely my favorite. Now all I'm gonna do is just spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Take my foundation brush, push that into the skin. And that's it. Let me zoom y'all out real quick. So yeah, y'all, this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed this video. I think it was shorter than my other videos. I don't know, we'll see when I start editing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it. That way you can be notified every single time that your girl make a upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.